welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our 13th chapter, that is statistics, exercise 13.1, second problem. Consider the following distribution of daily wages of 50 workers of a factory. Find mean daily wages of the workers of the factory by using an appropriate method. As we have seen in our last session, we have done one problem in all three methods. Whoever is interested in their own method, they can proceed with that. As I was showing you three methods, but your choice should be only one from it. Suppose if you want to go with the direct method, what you are going to choose? Class interval, frequency, score, and Fi, Xi, summation Fi, Xi you need to do. Only those four columns enough. If you want to go with assumed mean method, class interval, frequency, score, deviation, FD, summation, FD. Those four columns enough for assumed mean method. Similarly, if you want to choose step deviation method, class interval, frequency, score, UI, Fi, UI, summation Fi, UI. Only those four columns are enough. Children, whichever method you choose, you just go with only one method. First time when you are solving statistics problems, you can go with all the three methods how I do. In your examination, whichever method you wish to do, you can go with it. But one time you can practice all the three methods, there is nothing wrong in it. Right? Let's go with this problem. So here these two columns, in your textbook they have given as a 2 rows question. I did not write again question separately. Only statement I have written in the question. Now when you are writing answer, you need to take those 2 rows what they have given in class interval and frequency. You have to choose for the first 2 columns in your answer. Let's see the class interval. Daily wages in rupees. Number of workers. Number of workers. Workers means always we consider it as a people. Frequency. Fi, you write it here. And then go with the wages. Fi, daily wages. Class interval, you need to find class mark for this. And write in Xi column. Let's see first. 500 to 520 rupees, 12 workers are earning. 520 to 540, 14 people. 540 to 560, 8 workers. 560 to 580, 6 workers. 580 to 600, 10 workers. These are the wages and these are the workers. Workers in the sense frequency. Frequency means people. What are the total number of workers in this factory? They are already given in the question, that is 50 workers. But we will add and check it out. Let's add here. 2 plus 4, 6, 6 plus 8, 14, 14 plus 6, 20. 2 plus 1, 3, 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 1, 5. Summation Fi is equal to 50. Now we are going to find the class mark. What is the class mark? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. Lower limit 500, upper limit 520. 500 plus 520, it will be 1020. 1020 half, it will be 510. Directly you can see the middle one. Now the next one will be 530 and next one 550, 570 and this one will be 590. We got the score. Now choose your method and try to select those columns. Let me start with the direct method. What are we calculating? We are going to calculate mean by direct method, assumed method and step deviation. First one in it is direct method. Xi, Fi, you need to multiply. Start multiplying. We have very limited space, but you do your calculation part in rough column. Let me multiply here. We have a space. 510 into 12. 0 to 10. And this will be 510. Your answer is 6120. 6120. Next, 14 into 530. 530 into 14. 0, 12, 21. And again 530. 0, 2, 4, 7. 7420. Calculation, some will do fast, I said. You can go with any Vedic calculations or any other multiplications. You have shortcuts. We can go with some calculation within a second we can say. This is just the basic multiplication which everyone can do. 8 into 550. Directly you can write here 0, 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 40 plus 4, 44. That is 4400. Similarly, 6 into 570. Directly you can multiply. 6 7s are 42, 6 5s are 30, 30 plus 4 will be 34. Next, 10 into 590, 5900. Okay, what did we do? We have multiplied frequency column and score column. Right? Now, summation Fi Xi needed. Add all these. 0 solve if you add. You are going to get 0. And next 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. Next 1 plus 4, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. 9 plus 4, 13. 13 plus 9, 22. 6 plus 2, 8. 8 plus 7, 15. 15 plus 4, 19. 19 plus 3, 22. 22 plus 5, 27. Summation Fi Xi is equal to 27,260. Now apply in direct method. Summation Fi Xi value is 27,260 by summation Fi 50. 0, 0 cancels and you can cancel this. 5 5s are 25. 2 left, 5 4s are 20, then again 25, 5 5s are 25.2. Your answer is 545.2 is the mean by direct method. Let's go with another method, that is your assumed mean method. DI, you need to first assume a value. Assumed value, where you are going to take in score, middle value we are going to consider it as a assumed value and mark it A. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many scores you have? 5 scores. Middle one is 550. Let us assume this value as A. Okay. Now DI, 510 minus 550 is equal to how much? Minus 40. Similarly, subtract 530 minus 550, minus 20. 550 minus 550 is 0. 570 minus 550, 20. 590 minus 550, 40. Right? No need of adding this column. Next, Fi, Di. Try to multiply. Where is your Fi? Fi is here and Di is here. Try to multiply this one. 12 4s are 48. So 12 40s are how much? Minus 480. Next, 14 into minus 20. We take minus. 14 2s are 28, right? So 14 20s are 280. 8 into 0, 0. 6 into 20, 120. Then 10 into 40, 400. Add this column. How we are going to add? First, positive values add and negative values you add. Then from this, you subtract this. 400 plus 120, it will be 520. 520 minus, this will be 760. Minus 760. That will be minus 240. If you add summation Fi di, you are going to get minus 240. Apply in formula. Assumed mean method. X bar is equal to A plus summation Fi di by summation Fi. A value, assumed value is 550. Summation Fi di is minus 240. Minus 240 by 50. 0, 0 cancel. Now, 550 minus 24 by 5. 550 plus into minus will be minus. If you want, you can cancel here or you can do LCM also. You can do your wish. 5 table, where you get this? 5 4s are 20 and here 5 8s are 40. 44.8. 550 minus 4.8, it will be 545.2 is your answer. Mean value is 545.2. There also you got 545.2. Next, go with the step deviation method. Unit extra, UI. UI is xi minus a by h, or you may go with di by h also. Let me calculate here. Minus 40 by. First we need to know class size. What is the class size? If you want to find the class size, you need to subtract from high score to low score. 520 minus 500 will be 20. 20 is the class size. Always write starting A value. If you go with this methods, you write A and H. H is equal to 20. Minus 40 by 20. It will be 0, 0 cancel. 2 2s are 4. Minus 2. Next one. Minus 20 by 20. Minus 1. 0 by 20. 0. 20 by 20. 1. 40 by 20. 2. Next step. Fi, Ui you need to multiply. Where is your Fi? Fi is here and Ui is there. Try to multiply. 12 into minus 2. Minus 24. 14 into minus 1. Minus 14. 8 into 0. 0. 6 into 1. 6. 10 into 2. 20. Same pattern, add positives, add negatives, then in this you subtract this. 6 plus 20, 26. Minus 24 minus 14, minus 38. 26 minus 38. What it will be? It will be minus 12. Applying the formula. X bar is equal to A plus summation Fi Ui by summation Fi into H. A value is 550 plus summation Fi Ui is minus 12 by 50 into H value is 20. 0, 0 cancel. 0, 0 cancel. And now 550 minus 12 2s are 24 by 5. Again 24 by 5 is how much? It will be 4.8. 550 minus 4.8 will be 545.2. So did we complete our answer? No. We need to end up with one more statement. There is no space here. You try to write yourselves. That is, therefore the mean daily wages of the workers of a factory are 545 rupees 20 paisa is your answer, or directly you can say rupees 545.20. Do these calculation part in rough paper. Don't try to copy same as it is in your fair notes. Please delete this one and try to do once again. Don't copy anything from board. You do the problem and then check it out. Let's see the third problem. The following distribution shows the daily pocket allowance of children of a locality. The mean pocket allowance is rupees 18. Oh, what is this? Mean already given? Yes. The problem deals with the daily pocket allowance of some children in a locality. Average of this pocket allowance is how much? 18 rupees. Find the missing frequency. F is your problem. In the frequency, yes, here some value is missing. You need to find this value. Let's start our problem. In your textbook, class interval and this frequency in 2 rows will be there. So directly I have started my solution here. First column, write daily pocket allowance in rupees. 11 to 13 rupees. How many people will be having? 7 children is going to have pocket allowance of 11 to 13 rupees. 6 children 13 to 15, 9 children 15 to 17 rupees, 13 children 17 to 19 rupees, and how many children is having a pocket allowance of 19 to 21 rupees is missing. We need to calculate this frequency. 5 children 21 to 23 rupees, 4 children 23 to 25 rupees. Total how many children are there? If we are going to add, we are going to get the answer. Let's add this to get summation F. Summation Fi. 7 plus 6. It will be 13. 13 plus 9. 22. 22 plus 3. 25. Oh, F there. F you right side. Okay. 25 plus 5. 30. 30 plus 4 will be 34. And 3 plus 1. 4. Summation Fi is equal to 44 plus F. As it is, you carry a F wherever you are doing addition or multiplication. You take as it is, apply that F in the formula. There you are going to get the F value. Don't be panic here. Nothing will happen when you are adding. You take plus F. Suppose if you are multiplying, you multiply with that letter F only. In your answer, when you apply a formula, you are going to get your F value. Now select your own method, but I am showing in 3 methods. Direct, assume and step deviation method. Let's start with the direct method. What all the 4 columns we need? Class interval, frequency, score and Fi, Xi. Score, how you are going to get? Class mark, how you are going to get? Lower limit plus upper limit by 2. 11 plus 13, 24. 24 by 2 will be 12. Similarly, all the class interval or just you can guess middle one, no? So it will be 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. We got scores. Now Fi, Xi. Multiply. 7 12s are. How much it will be? 84. Yes. 7 12s are 84. Right in this column. 6 14s are 84. 9 16s are 144. 13 18s are will be 234. F into 20. You are going to write it as 20 F. 5 into 22. 110. 4 24s are 96. Add summation Fi Xi. Add all these. 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. Except this. What you need to do here? You take it plus 20F as side. Summation Fi Xi is equal to. You have already written here plus 20F. So while you are adding, you just skip the score. Now start adding. 4 plus 4, 8, 8, 16. 16 plus 6, it will be 22. 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 8, 18, 18 plus 4, 22, 22 plus 3, 25, 25 plus 1, 26, 26 plus 9, 35. 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 plus 1. 6 plus 1, it will be 7. Summation Fi xi is equal to 752 plus 20f. Apply this in the formula. X bar is equal to summation Fi xi by summation Fi. Summation Fi xi value is 752 plus 20f by summation Fi 44 plus f. We know x bar is equal to 18, right? And we are going to find a value and h value. A value is 18, h value is 2. Now x bar mean value is given. Let us equate with this. Okay, cross multiply this one, implies 752 plus 20f is equal to 792 plus 18f. 44 18s are 792 and 18 into f will be 18f. Now bring f's one side, 20f, 18f, bring this side, minus 18f is equal to 792 minus 752. 752 transpose other side, it will be subtracted. 20f minus 18f will be 2f. 792 minus 752, it will be 40. F is equal to 40 by 2, 2 20s. Therefore, the missing frequency is 20. Means 20 children are going to get a pocket money of 19 to 21 rupees. Now let's go with the other method. DI. First, find A value. In scores, find the middle score. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Fourth score. This is A. Assumed value. Now do this one. 12 minus 18. It will be minus 6. 14 minus 18. Minus 4. 16 minus 18. Minus 2. 18 minus 18. 0. 20 minus 18. 2. 22 minus 18. 4. 24 minus 18. 6. Okay, you need to calculate all like this only. I have done directly here. Now next step. FI DI. 7 into minus 6. Minus 42. Next, 6 into minus 4. Minus 24. 9 into minus 2. Minus 18. 13 into 0. 0. F into 2. 2F. 5 into 4. 20. 4 into 6. 24. Okay. Let's add this column. Let us add this 20 plus 24. It will be 44. 44 plus 2F minus. Add these three numbers. 14. 8 minus 84. Now it will be 44 minus 84 will be 2F minus 40. Summation Fi DI is equal to 2F minus 40. Let's apply an assumed mean method here. X bar is equal to, what is your X bar? 18. A value is also 18. Summation Fi DI 2F minus 40. 2F minus 40 by summation Fi 44 plus F. 18 cancel. You are left with 2F minus 40 by 44 plus F. Here you are left with 0. This denominator, if it is transposed to the other side, 0 into anything will be 0. So you are left with 2F minus 40 equal to 0. Minus 40 transpose that side. 2f is equal to 40, f is equal to 20. So in direct method and assumed method, both we got frequency value is 20. Let's check with the last method, step deviation method. Calculate ui first. ui xi minus a by h. What's your h? H is a class size. Upper limit minus lower limit will get the class size. 13 minus 11, it will be 2. Now ui is equal to xi minus a by h. Xi minus a already there here. Minus 6 by 2. Minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. How did I do? For every number I have divided 2. 2 twos are 2 ones, 2 ones and 2 twos are 4, 2 threes are 6. Multiply fi ui. Observe the columns carefully. 7 into minus 3, minus 21. 6 into minus 2, minus 12. And now 9 into minus 1, minus 9. 13 into 0, 0. F into 1, F. 5 into 2, 10. 4 into 3, 12. Add all these. First 10 plus 12, it will be 22. 22 plus F. 22 plus F you write aside. Now add all this. What it will be? 42. Yes. Minus 42. Minus 42 plus 22, it will be F minus 20. Summation fi ui is equal to f minus 20 is the sum of fi ui's. Apply this in formula. X bar mean already given in this problem. 18 is equal to 18 plus assumed value is 18 plus summation fi ui value is f minus 20 by 44 plus f into 2. Into 2. 18 cancel. So you send this denominator this side. 0 into anything will be 0. And that 2 will be multiplied for numerator. That implies 2f, 2 into f minus 20 equal to 0. Then again this 2 multiples and other side. 0 by 2, 0. F minus 20 equal to 0 implies send this 20 other side transpose. F is equal to 20. In all the three methods, your missing frequency value is 20. Any method you choose, you are going to get the same answer. Finally, what's your answer here? The missing frequency F is equal to 20. Okay, with this we are going to end our session today. In our next session, we are going to continue with the next problems. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.